Thank you so much.
We have the following stakeholders, or following agencies which are involved in this. We have means of public service which is involved in sanctions. If you didn't do your work as expected, when all resources have been availed to you, public service must sanction you. Those who have done very well, you must be rewarded for performance, because also we should not be able to appreciate those who have done commendable job. That gives others to learn, copy, and make government as efficient as possible. So for me and for us as government now, we want really to appreciate those who do well, but also, in a lighter note, to name and shame those who don't perform to the expectations of the country when you've even been given money and resources to carry out the implementation of this project. So I want to repeat here, it is a new reform in government to make government more efficient. The President implored the new cabinet to undertake performance assessment of these directives with the objective of finding out what was achieved, what was not achieved, why it wasn't achieved, and what needs to be done in order to achieve the objectives of the strategic guidelines and directives.